Ready to learn the names of some interesting jobs in English? Let's jump right in. Accountant. Accountants manage financial records and taxes. Carpenter. Carpenters build and repair wooden structures. Cashier. Cashiers handle customer payments. Chef. Chefs prepare and cook meals. Civil engineer. Civil engineers design and supervise construction projects. Dentist. Dentists treat teeth and gum problems. Doctor. Doctors diagnose and treat illnesses and injuries. Electrical engineer. Electrical engineers work with electrical systems. Factory worker. Factory workers produce goods in factories. Farmer. Farmers grow crops and raise animals. Financial analyst. Financial analysts study financial data to guide investment. Firefighter. Firefighters respond to fires and emergencies. Fisherman. Fishermen catch fish for food. Gardener. Gardeners maintain gardens and landscapes. Graphic designer. Graphic designers create visual designs for media. Hotel manager. Hotel managers manage hotel operations. Human resources manager. Human resources managers manage hiring and employee relations. Judge. Judges decide legal cases in court. Lawyer. Lawyers provide legal advice and representation. Marketing specialist. Marketing specialists promote products and services. Mason. Masons build with bricks and stones. Mechanical engineer. Mechanical engineers design and develop machines. Musician. Musicians compose and perform music. Nurse. Nurses provide care and support to patients. Painter. Painters paint buildings and structures. Pharmacist. Pharmacists prepare and dispense medications. Photographer. Photographers take professional photographs. Pilot. Pilots fly aircraft. Plumber. Plumbers install and repair water systems. Police officer. Police officers enforce laws and protect citizens. Professor. Professors teach and research at universities. Quality control inspector. Quality control inspectors check products for defects. Sailor. Sailors work on ships or boats. Sales manager. Sales managers lead sales strategies and teams. Surgeon. Surgeons perform operations. Taxi driver. Taxi drivers transport passengers by car. Teacher. Teachers educate students in schools. Therapist. Therapists help improve mental or physical health. Tour guide. Tour guides lead and inform tourists. Truck driver. Truck drivers transport goods by truck. Video editor. Video editors edit and assemble video content. Waiter and waitress. Waiters and waitresses serve food and drinks. Writer. Writers produce written content for media.